That's people of Jammu and Kashmir, including you, are getting the chance to cast their vote. Democracy return back.
We've been waiting for 10 years. First phase went well. Inshallah, we expect a good turnout from the second phase also. Regardless of which party, enthusiasm in political rallies has been heartening. Now we hope that enthusiasm translates into voter turnout also.
So, MEA has invited foreign diplomats to check the elections here.
I don't know why foreigners should be asked to check elections. When foreigners, foreign governments comment, then Government of India says this is an internal matter for India. Now suddenly they want foreign observers to come and look at our elections. These are an internal matter for us. We don't need their certificate. And also, this participation is not because of Government of India. It's in spite of everything Government of India did. They have humiliated people, they have used all the machinery of the government to detain and harass people. In spite of that, people are coming and participating in elections. So this is not something Government of India should be highlighting. But anyway, that's the way they are.
So today is a very important day for you as you're fighting from...
All election days are important. It's not about me. It's about the party as a whole. Therefore, first phase was as important. Third phase will be as important. Yes, I've got a personal stake in this. But for the party, all three phases are important.
You are going to participate in two constituencies here. How much you are confident you will get a positive results for both constituencies?
उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. I'm quietly hopeful. The rest is first in the hands of the Almighty and then in the hands of the voters. So let's see.
Mahbub Mufti, according to her, that bogus voting in Ganderbal area. And she also, Mahdi wrote a letter to Election Commission there to investigate.
Please investigate. I can't help it if their candidates have not been able to sort of make the impact that they had expected. It's not my fault that people have withdrawn from the election campaign in my favor. PDP was very happy to be the recipient of Apni Party's support in Badgam until Mahideen Muntazir Sahab went against his party and announced his support for me personally. After that, PDP got upset and then started attacking us and the Apni Party. PDP has clearly seen the writing on the wall. Forget about Badgam and Ganderbal. They'll be lucky to win even in Bijbihara. So I don't want to say much about it.
Rahul Gandhi is also coming today here.
Badi achhi baat hai na, good. I hope that after Rahul is done campaigning in one or two seats in Kashmir, he focuses in Jammu. Ultimately, what the Congress does in Kashmir is not that important. What the Congress does in Jammu is important. And unfortunately, Congress hasn't done as much in the plains of Jammu as we would expect them to do. The lion's share of the seats that the alliance gave in Jammu was to the Congress party. Yet the Congress's campaign in Jammu is yet to begin, and there are only 5 days of campaigning. So I hope that after Rahul is done campaigning on this one seat in the valley, the Congress focuses all its attention in the plains of Jammu.
What about the overall Kashmir political situation? BJP claims that the government is dependent upon the Jammu.
Government is dependent on? अब अभी गवर्नमेंट बनी नहीं ना. 8 अक्टूबर के बाद गवर्नमेंट बनने दीजिए, फिर बात करेंगे.